Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Since species E and D have only 7 genetic differences, which is the lowest number among all the pairs listed, they are the most closely related. That makes option B correct.